So, ayan. Good morning, good afternoon, Harvey Norman. Ayan. So, ano kayang gagawin namin dito sa may Harvey Norman? Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Tapos, tulog po yung aming dalaga. Ayan, sige, gisingin natin. Jasmine, get up! We're here! So, ayan mga kaswerte, we are at Harvey Norman. Ayan, as you can see, ang daming mga upuan. Ayan, pero bawal yan siyang upuan. So, let's go to the technology home appliances. Yung anak ko sabi, binalak niyang upuan, bawal na yung upuan. Ang kulit. Sobrang happy niya yan siya. Ayan. Laki naman ng TV. Yan, so titingin po kami ng kanyang iPad or tablet kasi mahilig po yan siyang mag-drawing. Ayan, gusto namin pang ma-enhance yung kanyang pag-drawing kahit na alam na po niya. So ayan, so hanap tayo ng tapos yung naihi daw yung isa. We'll go for P first, then just ask.
I bet I haven't got it.
We'll just ask. Lenovo. Hanap ka ng Lenovo. Wala muna tayong pang iPhone, ha? Ang tinuturo mo. That's for $100.
Balindado.
Allow look something else. So, tingin muna kami. Lenovo. Look for Lenovo. Yan, Lenovo yung kanyang pipiliin. Lenovo.
I think there's none.
There is. We just called here. Yeah, ask. Oh, clearance. Oh. Yan, so hanapin muna namin yung aming Lenovo. Yan. So, ayan mga kaswerte, nakita na namin yung kanyang gusto. Ayan, so
This is different because this is 10.6 inch and this is 11 inch.
oh, we'll just get that. 349.
Where's that? We can buy now.
You can't buy without daddy.
Yeah, I can buy. Money.
I
Must
had
be
the money. Ayan, so the daddy's girl. You can watch in there.
Thanks. Don't buy her.
Don't buy her anything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm buying some too. What about me?
Say hello. Hi. I wait. So this is the latest tablets. Which one do you like from?
December of 2023.
Ginagawa mo. So, ayan mga kaswerte, napagdesisyonan po namin ng aking asawa na bilhan po itong aking anak ng bagong tablet. Kasi po, mahilig po yan siyang mag-drawing, mag-sketching sa paper, mag-painting, ayan. So, deserve naman po niyang mabilhan ng bagong tablet para sa kanyang digital drawing at painting, ayan. So, darling, you bought Jasmine a tablet. You promised me you're gonna buy an Apple phone. There's the phone there.
Look at the price. Jeez. Oh my god.
So, ayan. Palabas na yung mag-ama. Ayan. Let's see what you have.
Hello.
You happy?
It's a go shop shit. It's a go shop shit. If you're happy, you know you clap your hands. Oh! Ba't tumatawa ka? Ba't tumalakpak ka? Bakit pumalakpak ka tapos tumatawa? Kasi if you're happy, you know you clap your hands.
bata, hindi na makapaghintay, makauwi. Ayan, binuksan na niya yung kanyang tablet.
Wait, baka may virus ang ima. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my god. Okay. So the charger, the pen. Ooh. Ay. Hey.
He's hungry?
No.
Well, I don't know. Well, you're hungry?
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah, well, it's up to you if you want to buy something.
Chicken wrap.
I don't want chicken wrap.
Hello.
Yay!
Lenovo.
Lenovo.
Lenovo. What do they call?
Lenovo.
Lenovo or Lenovo?
Lenovo.
Lenovo. Okay.
You're so happy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Can you download
It's like a tablet.
Can you download the
Ibis Paint, yeah.
Ibis Paint, then screen recorder. The screen recorder over there. Set the screen recorder so that if you are drawing, you can save them doing the drawing.
Mother, I have to set up this. Open your Wi-Fi.
Just set that up at home. My Wi-Fi is not enough to set up things now.
I have to do it now.
No, later.
Igata mata.
Alright, hang on. Are you hungry?
What's this?
Ala, iba taman
Happy ang bata. Ito nga po pala yung anak ko. Gustong gusto ng tablet. Ayan, sobrang happy. Meron na siyang bagong tablet. I-drawing mo nga ako. Oy, akin na nga ron. So, ayan mga kaswerte, pagkadating po sa bahay, sinimulan na po niya yan mag-drawing. At ayan, mga mahigit 1 oras na po yan siya nag-drawing. Ayan, so nagpahinga naman po siya nang kumain po yan. Ayan, so ito po yung update po kung paano siya mag-drawing sa kanyang tablet. Ayan, marunong din po yan siyang mag-sketching. Gamit po ang pencil, mag-painting. Ayan, so marunong din po yan siya mag-piano at mag-gitara. So, sobrang talented po talaga ng aking anak at sobrang proud na proud po ako. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.